Are you new to the world of Arduino boards and wondering how to get started? In this 15-minute video, we will provide you with a basic understanding of Arduino boards and their components. The Arduino board is an open-source platform that is designed for building electronics projects. It consists of a microcontroller, which is the brain of the board, and a number of inputs and outputs. Let's take a closer look at the components of the Arduino board. The microcontroller is the main component that controls the board's functions. The power connector is used to supply power to the board, while the USB connector is used for programming and serial communication. The digital pins and analog pins are used to connect input and output devices to the board. To program the Arduino board, you need to install the Arduino software. You can download the software from the official Arduino website. Once you have installed the Arduino software, you can start writing your first program. The Arduino programming language is based on C++, and it is easy to learn. You can write your program in the Arduino software and upload it to the board using the USB connector. Congratulations, you have just completed your first Arduino project. We hope this video has helped you understand the basics of Arduino boards and how to get started with your own projects. Thank you for watching, and happy building!